In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can withdraw money from your Payoneer account into your linked local bank account. It's very much simple and easy. All you need to do is just hop on your Payoneer account here and then tap on here, which is withdraw and convert. So there are three types of withdrawing on Payoneer. You can withdraw instantly, that's you initiate the withdrawal and then you do it, or you can schedule a withdrawal. Let's tap on this, which is withdraw to bank. So if you want to link a bank account, you tap on the manage bank account. I'm going to do a video on that to show you guys how to do that. And also the last one is you target an exchange rate and then you withdraw, something like that. So you can do it there. So when it hits the exchange rate, automatically it withdraws, and then you schedule a withdrawal. That's you schedule it ahead of you. So now let's go with this procedure and then let's tap on next, which is withdraw now. Good. So now let's tap on next. Good. So on here, on this page, you just need to select our balance. So you can see this account, I have three different balance, which is a USD, an euro, and then a British pounds. So I select USD here. I don't have money in my account, but then for tutorial purposes, I just select this, and they are saying it's less than the money I have is less for withdrawal, something like that. But then I think the minimum is like $50 you can withdraw. So you just enter the amount here, and then you enter the description, which is optional, and then you review it and you're good to go. You just proceed to withdraw to your bank account. It's going to take some time to proceed, and then you receive the message in your bank account. So that's it on how to withdraw money from your Payoneer account into your local linked bank account on your account. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.